Hello everybody, welcome back to my tutorials. In this video we are going to be considering the arteries of anterior abdominal wall. Okay, as you people know, anterior abdominal wall is supplied by numerous blood vessels. Okay, so इसको easy बनाने के लिए arteries को हमने दो categories में divide किया है. First category is the arteries which are present at superficial level, okay, and second category is the arteries which are present at the deeper level. Okay, so these four arteries are present at superficial level and these four arteries are present at deeper level. So इन्हीं arteries को अब हम diagram में यहाँ पे देखेंगे. So सबसे पहले हम deal करेंगे superficial arteries के साथ. okay, so सबसे पहली वाली superficial artery जो anterior abdominal wall को supply करती है, that is musculophrenic artery. okay, सो इस डायग्राम में अगर हम देखेंगे, हियर इज द मस्कुलोफ्रेनिक आर्टरी. सो मस्कुलोफ्रेनिक आर्टरी इट सप्लाइज द सुपीरियर पोर्शन ऑफ एंटीरियर एब्डोमिनल वॉल. ओके, एंड दिस मस्कुलोफ्रेनिक आर्टरी, जैसे कि आपको नजर आ रहा है, इट इज अ ब्रांच ऑफ इंटरनल थोरैसिक आर्टरी. ओके, नाउ लेट्स कम टू सेकंड सुपरफिशियल आर्टरी, दैट इज superficial epigastric artery. okay, so this is the superficial epigastric artery. okay, so superficial epigastric artery, it supplies the inferior abdominal wall. okay, it is medially placed and it arises from femoral artery. so ये femoral artery है, it arises from this artery and it then goes medially, और medially जाने के बाद it supplies this inferior anterior abdominal wall. okay, so this was about superficial epigastric artery. okay, which supplies the inferior anterior abdominal wall. Now let's come to third superficial artery, that is superficial circumflex iliac artery. okay, so this is the superficial circumflex iliac artery. So it's placed laterally. okay, it also arises from femoral artery and it is going to supply the inferior anterior abdominal wall. okay, also the portion which lies below the inguinal ligament. okay, so this artery superficial circumflex iliac artery, ये भी एक branch है किसकी, femoral artery की. okay, so इसके बाद finally fourth superficial branch पे आते हैं, that is superficial external pudendal artery. okay, so this is the superficial external pudendal artery. so this artery lies medially. okay, it is also a branch of femoral artery and it passes in front of supramatic cord. okay, जैसे कि डायग्राम में नजर आ रहा है, this artery is passing in front of the supramatic cord. okay, so it supplies scrotum in males while as labia majora in females. okay, so this was about superficial external pudendal artery. okay, so superficial epigastric artery, superficial circumflex iliac artery and superficial external pudendal artery, ये तीनों arteries, these are the branches of femoral artery. okay, so arteries which are going to supply the superficial part of anterior abdominal wall are musculophrenic artery, superficial epigastric artery, superficial circumflex iliac artery, okay, and superficial external pudendal artery. okay, and these three arteries are the branches of femoral artery. Now let's come to the arteries which are located at deeper level. okay, so इसमें सबसे पहली वाली artery आती है superior epigastric artery. okay, so this artery, this is a superior epigastric artery. okay, so it's going to supply the superior part of anterior abdominal wall. okay, and it is a branch of internal thoracic artery. okay, so this is superior epigastric artery, it supplies the superior part of anterior abdominal wall. So second artery is inferior epigastric artery. okay, so this is the inferior epigastric artery. okay, so it's also medially placed and it is a branch of external iliac artery. okay, so external iliac artery से निकलती है inferior epigastric artery. okay, and it is going to supply the inferior part of anterior abdominal wall. okay, this one, this artery, it's a branch of external iliac artery. So this is inferior epigastric artery. So third artery which is located at deeper level is deep circumflex iliac artery. okay. So this artery which is located above inguinal ligament. okay, so green color वाला है inguinal ligament and इसके ऊपर जो artery आती है, this one, it is the deep circumflex iliac artery. okay, so it's laterally placed, it is a branch of external iliac artery. okay, external iliac artery से निकलती है एक तो inferior epigastric artery और deep circumflex iliac artery. okay, and it is going to supply blood to inferior and lateral part of anterior abdominal wall. okay, so this was about deep circumflex iliac artery. Now let's come to fourth artery, that is posterior intercostal arteries. okay, So these arteries are the posterior intercostal arteries. These are going to supply blood to lateral and upper part of anterior abdominal wall. Okay, so जो ये posterior intercostal arteries है, these are the branches of descending aorta. Okay, so guys, these are the arteries which are going to supply anterior abdominal wall at a deeper level. Okay, so these arteries are superior epigastric artery, inferior epigastric artery. Okay, deep circumflex iliac artery and posterior intercostal arteries. Okay, so guys, this was all about the arteries of anterior abdominal wall. Thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon.